Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again so much for joining me here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Let's take another look here at Celestia, see what's going on. This coin is still riding below its descending trend line, so just open it up completely with, absolute utmost in sincerity and honesty. It is not looking phenomenal just yet, but it has the makings of starting off to be very, very good. Okay, I'll explain what I mean by that, but if you are new to the channel, just want to say thanks again so much for watching. Hope you can learn something today if you want to become a better trader. CryptoCache.tech is a site. Link down below. Just really quick, congrats to our community members here for some solid profit here from Bitcoin. Good 55% there and a Caspa long as well. Solidly swept that 60K range there. We actually had a short going into 60K, flipped it around, reversed, and price action took off. We recovered our losses and then some. So awesome trades there. Congrats to our members for that. And again, taking a look here at Celestia, what we want to look at is the last 7 days of look back. Tells us there's a tremendous amount of liquidation, somewhere in the range of about 500 million in liquidation right here at about 7.5 alone. It's pretty solid. Again, there's a lot to the downside too, don't get wrong. $6 could very well get swept, but generally speaking, there's more incentive to push the price action higher, especially if you look at this larger time frame, the last 3 months, the last 4 weeks, basically the last 1 month. We can see 760 upwards of $8 is a massive accumulation of liquidation. Okay, so again, a lot of times liquidation levels are swept just mainly because people don't expect the price action to go that far or that high. So just keep in mind right here above the more recent high, we see a lot of liquidation here. Okay, again, right there at that lower level. Once more, a lot of different scenarios could play out here, but generally speaking, that's what we're looking at. Let's quickly recognize the daily time frame and understand kind of the big picture here. So when it comes to moving averages, I like to be over the 20-day SMA at the very least to start kind of a shift in momentum. We have that 0.236 fib level here is basically telling us that we have a nice solid support at roughly $6 even. Okay, so that's good. We got our point of control also at 635, 640. Price pulls back, it should bounce off that level because that's the most recent interested level for a lot of people. Okay, so again, we can see a lot of volume kind of coming into this coin, and we're going to be able to see that on the charts here too with our money flow index being quite high, as well as our RSI back up over 50. It's a great sign. Stochastic swinging up for the second time, kind of just letting us know we have more continuation potential here. So the daily time frame actually looks pretty decent, minus the fact that we're under 3 fairly large moving averages. It's pretty normal, pretty common. I'd feel much more comfortable and confident taking a long position though, being above the 50-day SMA. Really, just generally that runs concurrent with the descending trend. Take a look at the 4 hour. Let's quickly note here a few things. We are also above all moving averages in the 4 hour, and this most recent point of control at 640, basically just letting us know we have a lot of support in that range. Okay, so the price does end up pulling back. Just say Bitcoin comes down to some 60,000 range, which is possible at this point, not looking super likely. We can see the price action is more likely to move higher up here at this point. Okay, so again, all the more reason why you want to just be careful and cautious taking short positions right now. But generally speaking, we can see this here working fairly strong. So again, RSI over 50, under 70, that's great. Money flow index increasing, stochastic swinging up. These are all very bullish signs here. So the 4 hour time frame looks pretty solid. Just got to keep in mind, Celestia hasn't responded super strong to Bitcoin's continuation, which does tell us there's a lot of selling pressure in the 720 to 730 range. Hourly time frame is going to probably reflect a similar scenario, which it does actually. I was surprised to find this out. We can see the lagging spans free and clear, conversion lines over the baseline. All the moving averages are looking pretty solid. And again, if we do take a look at our TPO, our time price opportunity, for the last couple of days here, we can see a heavy concentration about 650. We're above that right now. The bulls are in control. Big surprise. We know that it's pretty easy to see on the charts, but generally speaking, that's kind of what we want to look at. So there is potential for the price to come back up here and resweep this upper level. I do think we are more likely to see the price hit $8 before it comes down to like the $5 or $6 range. Just keep in mind, Bitcoin being kind of one of the catalysts here, it's definitely going to, there's a lot of little things that could factor in here. Okay, so just be mindful of that. Future reference, I do post playout charts in our Twitter, Telegram, YouTube, Discord, and TikTok. Now with shorts, go check those out. They're actually quite a lot of fun there. And then more importantly too, in our Discord, we have these trade alerts that I'm sending out with newer coins here that I'm looking at, kind of giving you a perspective on what areas of retracement I'm looking for, areas of entry to give you kind of a leg up. That'll be available as a new option on our website here very soon. All of our current members are currently grandfathered in. Either way you look at it, thank you again so much for watching. Hope you learned something here today. We'll look forward to working with you in the future. Hope you have a good rest of your day. Don't forget to, one last thing, also equally important, BitUnix, if you haven't used this exchange yet, phenomenal exchange, highly recommend. No KYC or VPN required. they're the favorite for our community for the last 11 months straight. So thanks again, BitUnix. We'll look forward to seeing you on the next one. Have a good day. Take care.